Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about the current market situation. Bitcoin sitting around $94,000. We dipped down below. We went up to $102,000. Then we had a severe dip down to 92, guys. So the market is a little bit shaking. Nobody knows, is the bull market over? Will we go above the $100,000 again? And or will we dip down below 90, 80 or $70,000? We will talk about this in this video. We will also talk about some altcoins and about some crazy opportunities right now. So I will also show you some indicators that will show you more information about where the market will be going the next couple of days. We can see here Bitcoin sitting at $94,333, and we had quite a severe dip here from $102,000 down below here to $91,000. Right now we have also a bounce back now from 91,000 up to 95, and now we're just slowly moving sideways. For now, will we dip lower? For now it doesn't look very good. Like we can see here, this high here is lower than this high, which is not so positive. So we would definitely have to go above this area, the $97,000, so we can continue this upwards trend. Right now Bitcoin is just moving sideways. Let's quickly go over here to the daily time frame so we can see it more clearly. On the daily, unfortunately, we're creating lower lows here, which is not something positive. Right now, we can see also a lower high here, and we also have here, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see here one shoulder, one head, and another shoulder. So if this formation here will play out, let me quickly showcase it for you more clearly. So we can see here one shoulder, one head, and here another shoulder. If this formation will play out, we might see some terrible prices for Bitcoin. Like we usually, this goes from the head down to the base of the head and shoulder formation, which is here. So let's see, if we take this from here to here and we will break down right here, we can see Bitcoin is probably going to go down below here to the $75,000, which is also very strong support zone area. We can see here we were facing resistance many times around the $73,000 to $75,000. So it's not very uncertain if we're gonna go there. Like, it's definitely a big support zone. Also, there is a lot of liquidity sitting there. If you take a look at the liquidity heat map and the VPVR, so it's not unlikely that we will go there. Now, what can bring some positive bullish momentum to the market? We can see here, if we go over the 4 hourly, and this indicator usually it's like 80% of the time is right. I will also showcase it to you. So we can see here on the 4 hourly, the RSI has touched the oversold zone here on the 4 hourly, and we can see this was also the lowest point that we were facing here. And the last time this happened, we also dipped down to 91, and then we had the quick run to the 100k back again. The last time this happened, same, we had a quick dump, and then again nice upwards movement up to $108,000. So this indicator showcases that Bitcoin is up for a bounce right now. Let's see if Bitcoin will get the strength and momentum to go above the $100,000 again. This is a very important point. Like, it's a big psychological zone and also a big milestone for Bitcoin, which we have to turn into a huge support zone. For now, big support here at 75, also good support at 82, and next one would be at 89,500. So the nearest support zone up. I hope we will not go below the $90,000. If this will happen, many altcoins will bleed like crazy. So you need to be very careful with high leverage trades. Always use a stop loss and a take profit, and only use for trades what you can afford to lose. This is one of the most important rules. Now, Let's see if the bounce here from the RSI will have enough strength to bring Bitcoin back above the $100,000. I hope so. If not, we might see 85 or 75K. And with that being said, we can see already altcoins are already quite red. Like we can see here Aptos, guys. And if you remember, guys, we rode our Aptos quite heavily. Like we opened here. If you remember here, when we broke the $7.50, we rode from that. We made crazy gains on Aptos from $7.50 up to $15, guys. So we doubled 100% with a 10x leverage. That's 1,000% trade. Right now it's the waiting time. So now I'm sitting on the sideline waiting for some nice opportunities and for some nice breakouts. For now, we can see here we have here strong support zone, like here at the $8 there is very strong support zone. Let's see if it will manage to hold or not. If not, we might go down here to the $5.68, which would be a massive opportunity, guys. If you buy again at $5 and it goes back to 15, you made 300% on spot, guys. With a 10x leverage, just 3,000%. Let's say you put only $1,000 into this trade, you can make $30,000 just from this opportunity. So, when there's blood on the streets, that's usually when you make the most money. Then we have Doge here, 33 cents, also dipped from 45 cents or 48 cents. Let me quickly check it, double check it. 48 cents was the top from last month. Now we are down like quite heavily. Let's quickly see. It's like 35% or how much? 31% dump, guys, from the top. So also heavy. Then we have here AVEX, which was also like $55 just some time ago. So we can see it here. It dropped from $56 down here to 36, which is also 34% dump. Besides that, most of the market is heavily oversold right now. We can see here everything on the 4-hourly had already touched the oversold zone and is already in the bounce phase. So let's see if the altcoins will have a strong bounce, if Bitcoin will have a strong bounce. And one of the major players here, Ethereum, needs also to go above its previous all-time high so the altcoins start moving again. That's why it's very important for Ethereum to go above the previous all-time high here at $4,900, so the altcoins can go on a parabolic phase, guys. So we are still early in the market. We're just slowly moving into the Ethereum phase. Like we are still in a Bitcoin bull market right now. That's why don't over leverage too much on altcoins. You can for sure DCA, accumulate some altcoins that are on a big discount right now and wait for the phase. Like when the phase, if you remember, we made crazy gains last month when the altcoins were going crazy. Like if you remember, I had 1,000% trade on TRX, many 100% trades on Aptos and many other altcoins. So right now it's better to just sit on the sidelines and wait for a crazy opportunity. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye.